It's been an eventful 5 years for camera technology since Canon released its prosumer-focused full-frame dSLR, the EOS 6D, including Sony launching the first full-frame mirrorless A7 in 2013 and subsequent generations of models. So it's kind of hard to get excited about the EOS 6D Mark II, which on one hand is significantly updated over its predecessor, but on the other is basically Canon just making it current for 2017. Of course, Nikon hasn't been very busy in that segment either. Its competing D610 is 4 years old. The EOS 6D Mark II comes in several kit configurations: body only for $2,000, £2,000 and $2,600, with the 24-70mm f4L Azumaya lens in the US and Australia for $3,100, $3,600, and with the 24-105mm f3.5 to 5.6 STM lens for $2,600, £2,380 and $3,000. Sensor, autofocus and processor. The camera incorporates a new dual-pixel CMOS sensor. Canon's been rolling them out across all the updated models for a couple years now, which brings with it an updated, now-on-chip, autofocus system. While the sensor is new, the AF part of it is the same as the 80Ds, but with a similar point spread as the original 6D, and the Digic 7 image processor is from last year. Its sensitivity range is expanded a bit as well, down to ISO 50 below the native ISO 100 and 2/3 of a stop higher at ISO 40,000. New features. The combination of the sensor and processor allows Canon to add capabilities like 4K time-lapse movie and 1080/60p recording. Canon also supplements the Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity with Bluetooth. Improved continuous shooting speed. Up to 6.5 FPS from 4.5 FPS, presumably with better autofocus. Autofocus responsiveness and tracking speed should also improve thanks to the new sensor AF. Articulated touchscreen LCD. It's Canon's first full-frame camera that doesn't have a fixed LCD, which is nice for the 6D M2 but sad for the rest. I can't think of a competing full-frame camera that hasn't already had this feature for years.